In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can customize your videos in the video player on an EzyCourse platform using captions and watermarks. So I'm inside one of my own courses here. This is Mastering Course Creation, and I'm in this lesson, an introduction to CapCut, one of the popular lessons in that course. I'm going to go full screen on this so I can show you the customizations that I've made. So first of all, at the bottom of the screen here, we can see this video has some English captions on the bottom of it. And as a user, I can turn on and off captions using this button just here. And on the settings button next to it, I can also change the language of the captions. So on this particular video, I can select between UK and German. I'll show you how to set captions up on your videos in your courses in a short while. Now also at the top right hand corner you can see I've added my company brand icon, so you can add icons to your videos as watermarks throughout your entire platform, and you can position these logos where you want them to be on the videos. I've gone for top right hand corner, a nice bright white logo there. Now at the bottom, this play bar is also in the color blue that I use for my brand colors. You can customize that and the loading wheel that displays in the same color. I'll show you how to do that in a short while too. And then in the top left hand corner, you can see I've discreetly added some text to this video here, which in this case is actually the ID and the name of the student that's playing it. Very handy if you're worried about people capturing your content. You can see the origin of it using that watermark. Now all these features are optional. You can turn them on and off to suit your tastes. Let's have a look in the EzyCourse dashboard at how you do that. So in the EzyCourse dashboard, you need to go under Site Settings and go to Video Editor to change the captions on your video. Now let me show you this video here which has been captioned already. I can click on the AI Subtitle and Dubbing button and see that English, United Kingdom and German have been added to this video. That is the example video that we looked at, and that's why we could select between those two languages. Now, if any mistakes have been made in that AI generation, I would be able to edit those captions using this button just here, the Edit Captions button, and I can make changes to this and update it accordingly. Now, in my experience, I've edited videos for many years. I've used AI tools to generate captions for me, and there's always going to be some errors in AI generated captions, depending on dialect and language and accent. I'm quite used to having to make some corrections with AI, but I've been very impressed at the accuracy of the AI generation on the EzyCourse platform. Now let's have a look at how to add those captions on. So I'm going to go into this Introduction to EzyCourse course and click on the AI Subtitle and Dubbing button. So remember, we're in Site Settings, Video Editor. You can search for your videos at the top, but the one I'm going to use is this one here, and you simply click the AI Subtitle and Dubbing button. Now there's three tabs here, one to generate captions with AI, which we are going to look at. We're not going to look at adding captions manually or audio dubbing just for now. So in this search box, we're going to search for the language we want to add. We're going to add United Kingdom. We're going to add German. And let's put French in there as well. Okay, and then we click the Save button. And you can see now those languages have been added to this video and the status is pending. So it does take a little bit of time for the AI to run through that video, transcribe it for you, and of course convert it into those various different languages. But when that's been complete, you can go back into the video and you'll see the status has been completed. And then you'll see these action buttons here to either edit or delete those particular captions. There's lots of languages to choose from, and you can add as many as you want to your videos, and your users can select between them on the player. Now let's have a look at those other watermark features. To find those, you go into Site Settings and then you go into Global Settings. And here you can find a section on Player Settings. Now this player color here, this is where I customized the player bar at the bottom. So this blue color here and this progress icon, this loading icon here that you can see also in blue comes from that setting. Now I've chosen to enable the watermark, which is the logo in the top right hand corner, using this toggle here. And don't forget to update when you change these settings. Click the update button just here. Now my logo watermark settings are just here, so you can see I've added this logo on here. You can change the image there. You can change the opacity of that logo just to make it more like a watermark. You can choose whether the logo is fixed in a particular location or actually whether it's moving about on the screen to really prevent people from copying your content. You can also change the logo width and height as well. And don't forget, as always, to click the update settings. Now you also remember that we have this user information displayed in the top left hand corner as well. You can see that here at the bottom I can turn on and off the user watermark here, and I can choose what fields to show, be that ID, email, full name. I can choose the size of the font, the text color, the opacity of it, again whether it's moving and fixed, and I can also select from a choice of locations for it as well. Also on the logo, I forgot to mention that you can change the location of the logo just here as well. Don't forget, as always, to update any of those settings that you've made changes to. The AI generated subtitles is an add-on. It's such a powerful feature though. If you're going to sell your courses around the world, particularly, or in other countries, then it's a great way of rapidly getting your content, your video content, ready for that global audience. So let's have a look on the EzyCourse platform as to where we can add that AI generated subtitle feature on. We go into our EzyCourse dashboard. Underneath add-ons, we click get more add-ons. I'm going to scroll past the growing library of add-ons that there are, and now you can see here I'm on AI Subtitles Generator. So there's a couple of ways you can buy this. Firstly, you can subscribe to this. Additionally, either if you pay yearly, you get that at $45 a month. If you pay monthly, it's $55 a month. Great value, like I say, if you want to customize your videos for a global audience. The LTD price is a lifetime deal, so that's the amount that you pay if you want to just pay a one-off fee, and then that's it, have it forever for life on your EzyCourse platform. Now you can see within the benefits here there are different levels that you can get. So on the monthly plan you can transcribe 20 videos per month and get your AI subtitles generated. On the annual plan it's 30, and on the LTD it's 50 videos every single month. So that's how you can customize your videos using Captions. You know where to get that add-on from, and you've seen also how to customize your videos using watermarks and text information as well, and also the color of the player bar. Hope you found that useful.